how to fix the driver WudfRD failed to load for the device fix. For that, the first method is to update Windows. So go to the search bar and type settings, open it and click on Windows Update and click on check for updates. If any update is available, you can go for it. Once done, you can close this window. The next method is SFC scan. So go to search bar and type CMD and open command prompt as an administrator. Click on S and then here type SFC space / scannow. You can get this command from the description, so you can copy it and hit enter. And here wait till the verification is completed to 100%. It means the scan will be completed. Once done, you can close this window. If it do not solves your problem, then go to search bar once again. In this time, type device manager, open it, and here find display adapters and expand it with the arrow near it and update all the graphics drivers that you have over here. Click on update driver, click on search automatically for drivers and click on close. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Mac369 and hit a like.